Hi guys, I am so excited to tell you my amazing news. I did my second webinar and we had incredible success, and I was a nervous wreck, but I got through it. And in the last 2 weeks, we've done 31,000 in sales. We had 100% people staying from the beginning of the webinar to the end. We had a sales conversion of 100%. So every person who made an appointment for coaching bought. And my team member who I've been working with said, Viv, I didn't even need to sell them. He said, I just listened to them. I went over a few questions, and then he said, I just finished by saying, how would you like to pay? And they're all on board. So we launch my program next week, and I can't even begin to say, well, I'm so thankful to you, Ed, and for all of your amazing training, because I've been in the online business for 18 years, and this is the first time I have ever had sales like this. And it's the first time I'm doing it as opposed to hiring big agencies and marketing people and blah, 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 and social media people and the entourage of people that I've had. I've never had this kind of success. And I am just so thrilled, and I'm so thankful, Ed, for your amazing training, your incredible support. You've inspired me, you've given me hope, and it's been one heck of a long journey. And I'm still a baby learning. So yes, I am still making mistakes, but wow, 31,000 in 2 weeks. That's amazing. Thanks, Ed.